Here we've got a new BMW X5, and this light unfortunately was the victim of an accident. We're gonna get it replaced. We offer lens replacements for many different makes and models, primarily European cars, a lot of BMW, Audi, Porsche. If you guys have any questions, reach out to us about your make and model and we'll see what we can do for you. But this is a quick service overview. It's not gonna be a full DIY. If you're looking to do that, we do have some links that we can share with you if you're looking to do a lens replacement yourself on a different model, but we'll just document the before and after of this lens replacement. We advise the customer to tape up the lens so no water was getting in. Once water gets into the chrome, it can really affect and the modules can get a little bit messed up. So we're going to take off the lens, scrape out the sealant, and then reinstall some new sealant and a new lens cover. So get this customer back on the road. But yeah, we'll do a quick before and after. I'll show you what the final results are. All right, here the light is ready for resealing. Yes, we skipped a lot. Lens was removed. It's the same really thick lens as the previous, I guess pre-facelift G05, super thick right up top. So you really have to get through with your ultrasonic knife if you're opening this up the way that we do. I can already tell you that these facelifted G05 lights will suffer from the same problems as the pre-facelift. They're going to have water entry issues. I noticed when we removed the lens, this whole portion here was kind of not adhering well, and that's exactly what's happening with the previous ones. They start taking on water. So if you have that kind of issue, reach out to us. Overall, everything worked out good. This sealant is extremely crumbly. You're going to want to take everything apart and blow everything out, including from behind too. There's a little access area through the main module. So blow everything out, scrape out all the sealant. This is the diodynamic sealant. You can use the Morimoto or your choice of sealant, but this is going to be pushed down a little bit and we'll get it ready for the final lens installation. Okay, here's the final product. We don't have any of the pieces. I believe they broke in shipping. There's also a gasket that fits up here, but that is missing. So customer will need to source those. But if you send your lights in, we'll get everything ready for you. This lens fit really nicely. Zero problems, clarity, everything is like original. So super satisfied with this. The only difference is actually the aftermarket lenses. There's usually like a pattern on the bottom side, right under here. No longer you'll have a pattern. So if you want a matching look, please send in both assemblies. Most people aren't looking at that, but we're very detail oriented and we realize that there's not gonna be a pattern there. So it's just kind of just plain. Yeah, that's about it. But like I told you, we pay super close attention to the way that this looks and we want it to look stock. We also use a few little small screws, you can see it right there, to make sure that the housing does not separate from the lens and you're not gonna have water intrusion issues down the line. But yeah, everything worked out really well. If you guys have a model that's not listed on our on our website, sorry, reach out to us, please. And we do recommend the paint protection film that gets applied over the headlight. Work with a local detailing shop, and that'll prevent any kind of premature problems to arise, all right? Subscribe to the channel. Reach out to us if you have any questions. Leave a comment below. Happy to talk to you. Thanks again, guys. Take care.